Hey guys, it's Half-Life, and without any further ado, let's get right into the topic. As you can see the thumbnail and the title, we are going to be unboxing my new mic. The mic is called Lyra by AKG, probably one of the most underrated mics. So let's take a look what we get inside the box. As far as the pricing of the mic is considered, it was first released in India for about 11,000 rupees, but now you can purchase the mic for 8,000 to 9,000 rupees on Amazon when on offer. First of all, let's take a look of what we get inside the box. We get the mic itself and an USB Type-C to Type-A cable and an adapter for mounting it on the boom arm. Taking a first look at the mic, the stand and the arms of the mic is built with solid metal, but the main body is built from plastic, including the knobs that change the voice pattern and the gain. It also has a mute button which glows when muted. The mic mesh is made out of metal but has a little flex. Overall, the mic is very well built. So I've mounted my mic on a boom arm because I will personally use it mostly for streaming. By the way, if you didn't know, I do stream games on YouTube, so if you're interested in gaming as well as tech content, do check out my channel. By the way, getting back to the mic, you can use it for recording instruments, podcasting and so on. Okay, I'm not going to be getting into detail about the different cardioid patterns and the sound quality in this video. I'm going to be covering it in my full review. But everything you hear in this video is been recorded on the AKG Lyra. Coming to the port selection, you'll find two ports at the bottom of the mic. One is the USB Type-C port for connecting it to your device, and the other is an audio jack which can be used for monitoring your audio while recording. With this, we have reached the end of the video. Drop a like, get subscribed for more such content. I will see you in the next one. This is Half-Life.